This is Mike from Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors. And today I'd like to go over how to fix a leaking tap. Most likely, if you're watching this video, you've been advised that your tap is leaking and is in need to be replaced. But before we go over how to fix a leaking tap, let's first just review what is a tap. The tap is the fitting that allows your water main to connect to the city main. The fitting in my hand is a tap. It connects to the city main down below here at the threads, and your water main ties in here. The nut is basically the gate which opens and closes, which allows water to flow to your home. In most cases, if your tap is leaking, it could be leaking down at the threads where it's connected to the city main or in the body itself. Now, unfortunately, there's no way just to repair a leaking tap. It actually needs to be replaced. And in order to replace a tap, DEP would have to perform a shutdown, a block-wide shutdown, so there's no water flowing in the city main at all. At that point, the old tap could be unscrewed from the city main. Now, if the existing hole is confirmed by DEP to be in good enough condition to be reused, simply unscrew the old tap, screw a new one in, and tie your water main back to that tap. Now, if the threads or the hole is not good on the city water main, then what would need to be done is that we would need to install a sleeve around the old hole, and DEP will drill a new hole and connect a new tap to that hole. And we would connect your water main back to that. If you have a lead water main, it's important to note that we will not be able to connect your existing water main to the new tap. You will be required by DEP to install copper water main, as lead repairs or any type of lead water mains that need work on are not allowed in the New York City area. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please call the number below. Have a good day.